nag-add ng additional fan.
Okay, my POV. We're here, Manay and I.
Hi! Your POV. Hi!
Yeah. It's 8 a.m. and our flight is at 1 p.m. And I was here 6 a.m.
So
I
proud
love
of you.
it.
I'm so proud of you.
But I'm so happy man, I was here super early, an hour early compared to what we've talked about.
Yes.
So thank you so much,
We
Manay.
planned to meet up at around 9 a.m. but we're now here at 8 a.m. So happy!
Perfect. We're just waiting for the other bitch.
Hey, other bitch!
Bye.
We're recording another video. Only video.
Hello, everybody.
Ayan sila, oo, diba? POV ko to. Ayan sila, nag-aantay.
Passenger Argeline Sakina, Passenger Mars Louise Sakina.
Hi team, we're here.
Hi! I'm so excited.
Puro lang ako yung nagbe-video. We're here, 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. Okay na. Update, we're here. Nasa mainland kami.
Mainland, China.
China. Cherry. Papunta na tayo port.
Pupunta na po tayo ng Taiwan.
Papunta na kami port. Ay! Baby boy, say on my mind, you feed my fantasy.
Alam na alam ko.
I think about you all this time. I see you in my dreams.
Baby boy! Ang bagay
We're staying in Azalea. Here's the bath. Ayan. And then, here's our beds. May mirror. Hi. Tapos may kitchenette. Thank you, Viral. Ayan. I miss this. Ayan yung mga ladies. There they are. Ayan sila. Oh, picture taking sila. Anyways. Can't remember where. Ah, ayun. El Centro is over there. Low tide. We're here. Front of Epic. There's Epic. Namalengke kami. Ayun. Ang cute. Cute ng bags nila.
Bye-bye, nanay. Love you. Nanay, bye-bye.
Ay, si Tita Telly.
Ay, Tita. Good morning. Ay, wala. Dito ba rin ako?
Meron pa ano?
How long are you, why you're not taking so long to reach the place? I know that you're riding a taxi. So, it's like out of the box.
Video. Videohan na yan.
Napaka-useful niyang ano mo. So, malamig.
Oh,
Ano na?
By Marites.
Ay!
Ano mo para sa ano?
Marites.
Habang kami
Let's go.
nag-work. Manay.
Boy! Make America.
Oh, unboxing mo yan.
Unboxing.
Wala kang choice dun
wala na akong
Di na yan
choice
babalik
yan.
ka. O, nung color ka.
Ay, okay.
O, green.
Okay,
Yung sa kanya, brown.
Okay, panalo. Olive green.
Brown sa white? Oh, perfect.
Ano, naghang eh.
Meron na tayong pang ano sa birthday.
Binom ba ito si Michael?
Hindi.
Oh, may tiwala lang talaga. Oo naman. May tiwala lang ako.
So, at one point, bakit tayo tese? Ang question is, are you willing to get off yung husband? Pero yung
not to take care of my families kasi family is our first ministry that we
agenda, we will, mag-prepare muna po tayo kasi we only have short time for the night handle because we have
Tinatanggal niya.
ay, sandali ko yung wala pa eh. O yung chinelas ko, wag ganun. Ay. Para kay Lord. Thank you, happy birthday, PM. Pero may kaba.
Ano daw yung final words mo?
Thank you, Viral.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Viral. Happy birthday, PM. Thank you. Kuya, breadwinner ako.
Bilang na
Go!
Okay, ready?
Okay na po. Yay!
Game? Game na? Game! Nakabidyo ka na. Nakabidyo ka na, ha? Ano ka? Go, Pastor Junior! Dalawa ko.
Magkakalo yan?
Hindi pa, wala pa.
1, 2, 3.
3, go! 2, 3.
Perfect.
Uy, mag-thank you tayo kay ano ay.
Ito. Hi, Manay! Video din to.
Maganda mo ang ocean doon ah.
Kaway guys. Peace. Heart. Burger. Yes. Oh. A. One more A. Sabay-sabay kayo ng rar. Sabay-sabay kayo ng wah. Sabay-sabay kayo ng bleh. Sabay-sabay kayo ng group hug kayo guys, group hug. Okay, magsibabay na kayo, babay. Takpan ang camera. Takpan mo.